Hey guys, it's me, Christina, and you are going to be so glad you joined me today because I have a game changer for you. I have the best cooking video and you are going to be so excited to watch it. But first, I want to introduce you to this channel and give them a shout out because if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be doing this video. And I believe in giving shout outs where they're due. So follow me over here and take a look. Okay, hopefully you'll be able to see this. You see that bacon? We're doing a video on bacon today, that's right, because Rodney and Jonelle did a video on the new Dunkin' Donut Spicy Ghost Pepper Donut. But then they did a bonus test with bacon. And honestly, the bacon looked better than the donuts. Just a little preview of that.
Snacking bacon.
Snacking bacon. That's what it's called, snacking bacon. So, what are we going to do? We're going to try to make us some snacking bacon and give credit to Rodney and Jonelle. Go to their page, watch their video, subscribe, and I want to thank you guys for doing your video because I think I'm getting ready to have a snack in my house that we make all the time now. All right, let's get to it. So I don't know about you guys, but I like to cut my bacon in half and put the other half in the fridge until I'm ready to use it. So there's my bacon. And I'm multitasking. I'm making spaghetti over here for my kids while I make this video. So if you hear all that bubbling, that's why. And this is why I told you guys this is a game changer in bacon. And some of y'all might already do this. Maybe I'm a little late to the game. I've been doing it for maybe 6 months. But I use my air fryer to make my bacon. That's right. I just put my bacon on my little grate that goes in it. This is what my air fryer looks like. It's a little bit different. I see other people's air fryers and mine's a little bit different. But it's, I'm going to take the bacon slices and put it down on the pan. Oh, you guys are going to be so amazed. No more popping, getting your skin burnt, burning bacon, trying to fry bacon and not get burnt. That's a thin slice, so I'm just going to throw it over there. Look, you could even cook your bacon while you're naked now because there is no grease frying up and popping on you. Look at that. Look how many pieces I'm getting on this pan. Yes, yes, yes. And I'm not making bacon for breakfast. I am making it for some snacking bacon. And I'm assuming what they did in the Dunkin' Donut thing, I've not had it from there, but just from watching their video earlier, it says sugar and cinnamon. And if you guys know me, I'm already about some cinnamon. Oh, that's super thin. Look, I can fit some more on there. I'm going to get my other thing out. Alright, here's the other half. And I probably won't get all this on there. I won't be able to put that back in the fridge so it stays cold right before I fry it. And you guys know bacon is so expensive anymore. So if I'm going to pay the price for bacon, if I can get some extra use out of it by making it for a snack, hey, hey, win-win for me. Look at all that will fit in here. You could probably buy an extra one of these to go in your thing because it has 3 sections. There it cooks a little bit. I might get the rest of that on there. It'll all fry at one time. Let me tell you something. Let me rinse my hands. Wash your hands. Okay, let me tell you something. Y'all gonna love this. Look here. You'll see my bacon in there. I'm so excited. We'll close it up. And I usually just keep this on the same setting. Not that I don't know how to use it, but I just keep it where it's at usually. But I lower the things. I'm going to put this on 350. Oops. Hit the start button. Look, does cooking get any easier than that? Put that bacon in the air fryer and wait on it. Okay, so while your bacon is cooking, make sure you keep an eye on it. Mine has a little light where I can just kind of look in there. And my top burner gets done faster than my bottom burner. So sometimes I'll just switch them in the middle of cooking. That way that'll slow the top down and speed the bottom up. But I'm looking at it right now. It doesn't look like it's ready. I'm going to keep letting it cook. And as you can see, it goes back and forth between the time. So it's on 350, the temperature is. And I have 9 minutes left from the timer that I put on it. So in the meantime, I'm going to tell y'all I have no idea what I'm doing or how to do this because I didn't know this existed. I didn't know a company had this out there or people did it. Now my son makes chocolate bacon, chocolate dip bacon, and it's really good. And I've eaten it, but this is going to be new for me. And look, this is not Folgers. Okay, this is Folgers, but this is when I keep my sugar in. I don't know if you guys do that too, but I keep my sugar in this. And here's my cinnamon. So I'm going to start by putting these two little scoops in the bowl. And then I'm going to add my cinnamon. Mix them together. And I'm thinking, as the bacon comes out, I'm going to kind of just dip it like you would like maybe a donut. Just dip it in there. So I'm going to mix up that cinnamon and sugar. And as soon as I pull the bacon out, whoops. Now this looks like a little much cinnamon. What do y'all think? I should add more sugar just to balance that out. I'll probably put a little bit too much cinnamon in there. You know what? And if I don't use all this, we can always bring some bread out. Make some cinnamon toast, so it's not going to go to waste. It looks good. All cinnamony, all sugary. So, I'm getting my bowl ready. Oh, I hope I don't tone it down too much. I still want to taste the cinnamon on that bacon too. Y'all let me know if y'all have tried that before. Go watch their video. And then tell me if you've tried it from Dunkin' Donuts or if you made it yourself. Doesn't that, oh, it just looks good by itself. I can do all kinds of stuff with that cinnamon and sugar. Alright, we're done with that. Let's go ahead and check this again. Oh yeah, that looks good. Well, we're going to turn this. Let's open this up and turn this. Oh, God, I love me some bacon. Woo, one of my weaknesses. Whew, y'all talking to a fat girl here? Look at that. Oh, that looks good. I'm going to, like I said before, this one doesn't cook as fast as the top. I'm going to switch that out. And I don't know if y'all can see the bottom there. That's what catches the grease. Man, it's barely a mess to clean up. I love my air fryer, and I love making new things in it. And I've been getting a lot of great ideas online lately. So when y'all watching YouTube, don't just be checking out those funny videos. Be checking out those cooking videos too. Okay, I'm going to let that cook a little bit longer. And when I think it's done, I'm going to come back and you can watch me dip it. Okay, when I originally started this, it had about 15 minutes on it, on the timer. Now we're down to 49 seconds. That top looks done. I'm going to go ahead and let it play out its last minute. I may have to put the bottom on the top for a second, I'm not sure. But I am so excited. Are y'all excited? I know you guys have to be as excited as I am. Or you just don't love bacon like I do. I love some bacon. I know not everybody loves bacon. A lot of people don't love bacon. I will eat it for you. It's okay. You don't have to love bacon. But I love bacon. And cinnamon sugar, dipped bacon, snacking bacon. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and do this. I hope I do it right. I hope it tastes good. Cross your fingers for me, guys. You hear it? It's ready for me. Y'all hear that? Look at that. Look at that. So this is what we're going to do. Only have the camera in one place at a time. Look at that. I'm going to put it over here because I'm going to try to do this real fast because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing it for the first time. And I hope this works. So we're going to take the bacon out of here. I'm going to throw it in the cinnamon and sugar. I'm going to kind of coat it. I guess I'm smothering it, it looks like. Take it back out of there. And put it on a plate. Oh, it looks like it coated it to me. Yes, 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 yes. And I think you got to do this while it's hot. I want to go ahead and throw a couple pieces in there at a time and let go ahead be getting some stuff on it. If my fork will cooperate, it doesn't want to. Y'all bear with me here. I'm going to take a whole section. Just throw it in there and then work it. Let me hope that stays hot so I can do what I'm doing. Okay. And I'm just going to turn it over, turn it over, turn it over. Get that down in there. Coat it. And then put it on a plate. Oh, I hope it's not too much. We don't want too much. You don't want it to be too strong. Still want to taste that bacon. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That may not be your thing. I will eat it for you. But for those of us who are, like new things and like bacon, I'm going to have to start experimenting with bacon. Maybe we can do more stuff with bacon than what I already do. I'm not going to do both racks on video because I know my videos tend to get a little long. I'm trying to stop doing that. But when I start talking, seems like I can't shut up sometimes. But y'all don't want to hear all that all the time. So I'm going to try to cut this video short so it's not as long as what my videos usually are. Look at that. Which one do I want to try? Oh, mine got a little bit too much. I'm going to let y'all know here in a second. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Let's taste this, guys. I'm ready. I'm always tasting something on video for you guys. Please appreciate the sacrifice. Cinnamon and sugar went everywhere. This is good. Look, I thought I was getting too much on there. If you make this at home, go ahead and coat this. I thought this was too much. Can y'all see that again? See that close up? I hope I'm getting it because I can see what I'm getting. Coat it. Because I thought I was getting too much on there. And I was like, oh, I hope it's not too sweet. It's not. It's not. It tastes so good. I taste the bacon. The bacon flavor is really strong. And the cinnamon and sugar is not too strong. But that sweet is just there. And look what else I'm going to do. Look, what I probably could have did to start with. Watch this. Let me finish that. I'm going to do this. I'm going to get me a baggie. Put my bacon in the baggie. Oh God, that's good. Look. It's good warm. I'm now sitting at nighttime, wanting a little snack before I go to bed. Now, I'm sure some of this is going to fall off in the baggie. I'm going to put this in the baggie. Let it dry a little bit so it's not warm. I might add a little bit more cinnamon and sugar on there just to make sure it's coated good. Because like I said, it was lightly, probably the best. I probably need to leave it alone, but I'm afraid something's going to fall down the bottom of the bag. This was really good, guys. If you've never listened to me about anything I've ever told you on video, please listen to me about this. I was going to call my son, who lives across the street from me, and tell him about this so he can come try it. I think I want to be selfish and just eat it all. It's really good. Does this look like a happy face? It looks like a scary face. Sorry. I'm very happy. Thank you, Rodney and Jonelle, for doing your Dunkin' Donuts video. And people, please, I'm not joking. Go to their page. Check them out. They got some great videos going on themselves. And if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have got this video done today. I'm just going to turn this around and let you see their page one more time. Because when someone deserves a shout out, they deserve a shout out. And I'm going to be so happy for many years to come with this snack and bacon. And I don't have to pay for it. I just made it at home. Yay! Hold on. Watch this. So here they are. Go to their page. Hit that subscribe button. And then watch their videos. Also, don't forget to go to my page, hit my subscribe button, and watch the videos I have uploaded. Until next time, it's me, Christina. Let's go make some bacon. Bye! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like so I know that you like it. Subscribe if you have not been to my page before, and leave me a comment. Will you be making this bacon? Does it look good to you? If you don't eat bacon, hey, make some turkey bacon and coat it. Oh, that's a great idea. I'm so glad I told you that. Turkey bacon is good. Coat it. Sounds good to me. Glad you joined me today. Bye.